Ever wonder why some people seem to crush their goals while others keep starting over? The secret isn't motivation or willpower, it's microhabits. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a microhabit routine that aligns perfectly with your long-term dreams. And guess what? I'll share plenty of real-life examples to get you inspired. Let's jump in. The first step is to get super clear on what you truly want. Think about your big dream. Maybe it's to get in the best shape of your life, write a book, save money, or learn a new language. What's that one thing you've always wanted to achieve? Write it down. Clarity is power. Let's say Sarah's long-term goal is to write a book. Instead of trying to write an entire chapter in one go, she breaks it down into a microhabit. More on this in the next step. The biggest mistake people make is trying to go big too soon. Instead, think small, really small. If your goal is to get fit, don't start with a 1-hour workout. Instead, do just 5 squats right after you wake up. It takes less than 30 seconds, but it sets the tone for the day. If you want to read more, don't aim for a whole book in one sitting. Start with reading just 1 page a day. Guess what? If you read just 1 page a day, you'll read over 300 pages a year, almost a full book. For Sarah, the aspiring author, she starts by writing just 100 words a day. That's less than a paragraph. But by the end of the year, she'll have written over 36,000 words, a solid draft of her book. Make your microhabit so simple that it's impossible to skip. The goal is to build consistency, not perfection. Now, how do you remember to actually do these microhabits? The trick is to attach them to something you already do. This is called a trigger or a habit stack. If you want to drink more water, attach it to something like your morning coffee. Every time you brew your coffee, drink a glass of water. If you want to practice gratitude, do it right before you check your phone in the morning. Before you unlock your phone, say one thing you're grateful for. Or, if you're trying to learn a new language, like Spanish, you can attach your learning to brushing your teeth. While brushing, repeat 5 new vocabulary words in your head. Tom wanted to improve his posture, so every time he sat down at his desk, he'd take a moment to sit up straight and do a quick 5-second stretch. This small habit made a huge difference over time. We all love seeing progress, right? That's why tracking your habits is so powerful. Use a habit tracker app, a simple checklist, or even a sticky note on your fridge. Every time you complete your microhabit, give yourself a check mark. Sarah uses a calendar on her wall. Every day she writes 100 words, she marks an X. Her goal is to not break the chain. If you're trying to save money, track every $1 you save daily. At the end of the year, that's $365 extra dollars saved. If you want to meditate, start with just 1 minute a day and track it on an app. That's 365 minutes of meditation in a year. Celebrate your wins. Reward yourself with something small like your favorite snack or 10 minutes of your favorite show. It's all about positive reinforcement. Once you've mastered your microhabits, you can gradually increase them. But remember, only level up when your microhabit feels easy. If you've been doing 5 push-ups every morning, bump it up to 10. If you've been journaling for 2 minutes, increase it to 5 minutes. This could turn into a life-changing morning routine. And if Sarah feels comfortable writing 100 words, she can increase it to 200 words a day. Before she knows it, she's finished her book. James Clear, the author of Atomic Habits, started by writing just 1 to 2 sentences a day on his blog. Today, he's a best-selling author, all because he started small and stayed consistent. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to building a microhabit routine that aligns with your long-term goals. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's the tiny, consistent actions that lead to big results. So, what microhabit will you start today? Comment below and let's inspire each other to become the best version of ourselves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more motivational content. See you in the next one.